Hey, welcome back to my channel. So we have a long weekend, which gives us an extra day to get some things done around the property. And typically we're pretty busy doing this type of stuff this time of the year, which is my favorite because I absolutely love being outside. It's supposed to rain all week, but it's really warm and sort of balmy outside. It's really reminding me of Hawaii or Florida. It's gorgeous and the garden is really thriving. Plus we are adding more and more to the garden this year. I wanted to get a head start on the herbs in the late winter, early spring, which is primarily when I use the greenhouse. So I had quite a few that we started in here, and then we just decided we wanted even more. My husband has been coming out and clipping them pretty much every day when he's filming recipes. So we just wanted to make sure we had lots of kitchen herbs. This is an above ground bed slash cart, and it has wheels on it that we got from Vigo Garden. I do actually have footage of us building it last summer in the garage here on my channel. I posted that I think last summer. So we've had this on our agenda for a minute, definitely something we wanted to use. And so we're adding some additional starters in here. I did the lasagna method when I was building the soil out for in here. So I started by putting Trader Joe's bags at the very bottom of the bed, and then I put some logs, and then I put some straw and a little bit of soil, some fertilizer, and I actually shared that in my videos as well. So it kind of became a bit of a series here, and now we're just finishing it off with the starters that we found at the store and putting a little bit of straw on top of that to act as mulch, and I'm really looking forward to this. Our chickens do quite a bit of free ranging, so what you're seeing here is we do put caging on top to prevent them from scratching. Sometimes they'll come into the garden and they'll scratch to make a little place for them to get cool or to lay down, and they're allowed to do that anywhere else on the property, but we really want them to avoid doing that on our garden beds, especially our like sensitive garden beds like these, like the herbs. Are you guys having fun at the basketball court? Over.
Yeah, totally. Over.
So we did our Tractor Supply to grab our feed, and then we went to Lowe's and got some new plants. And when we came back, we just wanted to make sure to refill all of the feed in the galvanized bins, get everything organized, start putting our plants where they need to be planted, and sort of accomplish that this weekend while we have the time to do it, because we really want to make sure we get those starters in their homes ASAP, and then just sort of reset, put everything back. So typically on the weekends we spend a lot of time on the front porch, so sometimes there's like a cup that's left out there, or I need to sweep, put out some bird feed, and also clean the dog bed that's on the front porch that I like to keep on there for Mate. He likes to sleep there, but sometimes he likes to sleep on the day bed, and sometimes the chickens like to sleep on the day bed, and sometimes the kids like to sleep on the day bed. So I wash it pretty much every week during the summer months, so it's nice and clean out there. have this bed on my back porch that I have been wanting to remove what's here and just put something else there. And somebody actually messaged me on my channel asking me about gardenias. And if you've been following my channel for a long time, You may know that gardenias are my favorite, and actually that was a great reminder. Thank you to that commenter, because I want to put gardenias here. This is the perfect spot, so I have to remove this thing, which is proving to be quite difficult. I have to go get a different tool and come back. Upon investigating, we actually did not have the tool, so Byron just came in and literally sawed those down, which was great. Then I had to remove all of the plastic and lining that was here from the previous owners, and basically we're just completely resetting this entire bed, pulling all of the weeds, and then we're going to put straw down, soil on top of that, and then proceed to plant the gardenias. So I'm going to get the first half of this project done at least today, which is just pulling all of this tarp and the weeds, getting this out of here, throwing that away, and then putting some straw down. Once I got that all cleared out, I went ahead and put straw down, and then we're gonna go get another truck full of soil to put on top of here. And then we wanted to wrap up our big garden by finishing up these beds and then leveling them so that the big garden is ready to go. We have one final bed that we want to build with the kids and just show them how we're doing that. And then, yeah, that was pretty much a full day of doing some garden projects, resetting the porch, cleaning up the day bed and the dog bed. So it's a nice, comfortable place. And we spend lots of time out here during the summer months. So I wanted to share an update. And I saw this beautiful creature, this beautiful moth, a Luna moth, hanging out outside of our door for the entire day, actually. So, yeah, then we just enjoyed the rest of the day and had a really nice weekend. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure that you're subscribed because lots of new videos are coming in the next few weeks. I'll see you soon.